What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Len. I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. I don't know if you guys can tell right now. I am at the gas station. I'm currently at the gas station. You know, as you guys see by the title of the video, we are going to be finding out how much does it cost to fill up a Dodge Challenger RT. Now I'm gonna show you guys it's gonna be very short and simple. Let me get a flip camera view for you guys, so you guys can see how many miles I have. I basically burned the gas tank all the way. Alright, so basically, right now, as you guys can see, right now I have low miles, right now very low miles. When this happens, that means that you're below about 10 miles. Once you get to 10, it just goes straight to low. And yeah, that's where I'm at. I did do some pulls with the RT.
Turn me up, London.
And you want?
Nah, that boy said he nice with it. Dang.
So my tank should be really low. You know, so it should be a good estimate or a good price for you guys and all that. But yeah, let's get the video started. My boy Desmond pulled up on me, so he's gonna be tagging along and shit.
Got some drugs for me?
I ain't gonna hold y'all. This is the best apple juice drink in the world. But back to the video. Alright, first thing first, we'll open this, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I already paid and all that stuff, so we'll go ahead and grab this thing. And I always use this. You don't know who put their hand on that, so use this right here. I'm gonna put 89 today. I'm gonna make a video putting 93. Just wait. I've never put 93 in my car. I've never put 93 in my car, ever. So that's gonna be a banger. I ain't gonna hold y'all, but yeah, let's see what we go to. Let's see what we go to. Oh shit. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get to 59. What a video. 59, you know what I mean? 59. I might have 5 miles left, but it's ideally about $60. $60 if you round up. So, I mean, that's not that bad, I ain't gonna lie. I'm sorry about that, guys. My phone died on me, but yeah, always get every last drip, you know what I'm saying? You know, just like that, you know what I mean? Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, $59, man. $59, man. You know what I'm saying? All right, so that's $59 for the 2021 Challenger RT. I might have 5 miles left, realistically, because if you guys look at how much I got off of a full tank, it's only 170 miles. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, it's, you know, I do about 13 miles per gallon, 12 miles per gallon. So yeah, so it's about $60 to fill up a Dodge Challenger 2021 RT. If you guys like the video, please let me know. I got some more bangers coming. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it going. And I got another vid coming when it comes to this gas, man. I haven't put that 93 octane, you feel me? That 93, I haven't put that joint in yet. So that's a whole nother banger for a whole nother day. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a good one. And you guys stay good. You guys stay good.